By the end of this video, you will know how to add a late fee to an invoice in Wave. Start from your Wave account dashboard and make sure the correct business is selected before you go any further. If you manage more than one business in Wave, this is the point where it is worth checking, since the invoice list and billing records depend on the business you have open. Once that is set, go to the left-hand menu and click Sales and Payments. This opens the area where customer billing activity is managed. From there, click Invoices to open your invoice list. In the invoice list, find the invoice that needs the late fee and open it. You are looking for the invoice record itself, so click into the invoice to view its details. After it opens, check whether the invoice can still be edited. If editing is available, click Edit Invoice to make changes. Inside the invoice editor, scroll down until you reach the Items section. This is where the line items for the invoice are listed, including products, services, and any additional charges that are part of the total balance. Click Add an item to insert a new line. For this new line, either create a new item for the late fee or select an existing item if you already have one saved in Wave. A label like late fee works clearly here since it shows the customer what the added charge is for when they view the updated invoice. After selecting or creating the item, enter the late fee amount in the price field. If needed, adjust the quantity as well. In many cases, the quantity will stay at 1, but if your invoice setup requires a different quantity for how the fee is calculated, update that field before moving on. Next, review the updated invoice total. This is the point where you confirm that the late fee has been added correctly and that the total reflects the amount you intend to charge. Look over the line item in the new balance so there is no mismatch before saving the change. When everything looks correct, click Save and Continue. That saves the updated invoice with the late fee included. After saving, follow the on-screen option to send or resend the invoice to the customer so they receive the revised balance. If Wave presents a send or resend prompt, use that option to deliver the updated invoice. This makes sure the customer sees the late fee on the invoice itself rather than only in your internal records. Thanks for watching. The invoice now includes the late fee and has been saved or resent with the updated balance.